Hey, Romance and Dance, what's going on? This is Tamara Page here with the Customer Solution. And in the next 5 minutes or so, I'm going to show you how you can add an extra 5 to 10K per month in sales to your business's bottom line just by setting up a text VIP program, okay? So this is pretty simple. But there's a lot of really cool things happening with the page that you're seeing on your screen right now. What we've done is we've set up a page that really, in short, allows our best customers, the ones that already like us, the ones that already have heard of us, it allows them to sign up for more for a program to get a small discount here and there. But it allows us to set something up where we have the ability to message them all the time. The problem with a lot of businesses that I work with, and I've helped a lot of restaurants, small business owners, chiropractors, dentists, helped a lot of businesses grow really, really fast. But a lot of things that I saw in the beginning was that the problem that they were having was that they're completely reliant on expensive advertising, whether it be radio, TV, where they're located at, the day of the week. They were completely reliant on a lot of factors that they have no control over to get people through the door. And so what we've got here on this page is something that once someone signs up to this, yes, you're giving away a little bit of a discount sometimes, and yes, it's going to send them a discount that they can use in your store. But we now have the ability to send them a message anytime we want to. That's going to get them to become a return customer. And here's the trick, they're going to become a return customer in a way that they're coming in more often than they would have before because we're slowly enticing them to with some of these cool things that the system actually is able to do. So I set this up specifically for your business so you can get a firsthand look at what the system is capable of doing. If you look here, you'll see the text just reads, join our VIP program and get 10% off of your next class and advance notice of special events. So this is a way that once you capture their name, they'll enter their birthday because, on their birthday, maybe you want to send them some special offers. Those are different lists that you can set up in the system. And don't worry, we do all that for you. But I just wanted to let you know this is how we capture their information. So I know that you may look at this and be like, okay, all well and good. How do they actually find this though? How do they find this page in order to even sign up? So we do a couple of things, both in store and online, to get this in front of your customers. So let me show you sort of what it would look like on Facebook with a demo page that I use. It's a sample page that was created. So this is Sal's Pizza. So you see right here, something like this, would be pinned to the top of your Facebook. So I have your Facebook page opened as well. And then so it would be pinned at the top of your Facebook page. I did create a sample like promotion that could be the picture of what would be pinned, similar to this. It would be pinned here. It would read the same thing that where is it? The same thing that this reads, join our VIP program and get 10% off your next class and advance notice of special events. And then it'll actually also say link to sign up page in the comments. Um, in the comment section, you'll see there's a link. If you click this link, just like it would be on your page, if you click this link, it'll throw you to, it would throw you to this page. Of course, it would throw you to the landing page of sales, but once we set that up on your page to pin the post, we would put the URL in the comments, and they'll be able to click that, and it would open up this page right here and allow them to sign up. Um, Another way that we actually get some of the clientele to sign up would be to where is it? Would be would be a promotion like this. We would either this would be up, we would put this up in your establishment. We would actually either put this QR code right here on maybe some business cards that people can at the front desk, something that you can pass out. And once they scan this QR code, again, it'll open up this landing page right here and allow them to sign up for your VIP program so that they can get notified of the different things that you want to offer or the different pro events. I see that you had a paint and sip. I have a client that actually, even when you have a paint and sip, you can get people on your VIP. You make sure that you put this up everywhere so people can scan these codes and be able to get this landing page popped up so that they can go ahead and sign up here. And like I said, once that's happened, you've captured them in your system that you can market to them all day. Another thing that you can actually add to your page is a widget. And that is something that looks like this. And I know it may be a little small, but it's a pop-up. And so let me show you an example of that. That would be this here in the right-hand corner. Of course, we would design it to fit your page, the look of your page and with your logo and branding the way that it needs to be. But this will pop up and this will actually capture, this is where they would enter their cell phone number as well. And this would capture them and put them into the system, putting them on your list as well. So those are some of the ways that we can actually add them to your list. So all that's well and good, but let's talk about what happens uh, once they fill this out. Like, where do they go? Like, what happens? They actually will receive something that's behind the scenes. This is like the back end of the system. So what happens is whatever, we'll set up redemptions and automations and stuff for you. Don't let this make you nervous. This is something we sit down with you and map out promotions that you might want to offer, things that might be coming up. You may have a calendar of stuff that is happening. We put that in, and this stuff will just go all out automatically without you having to lift a finger. So, but let me just show you. This is actually a demo account, and so this is something that, this was say, so this is for a demo that I do with this Sal's Pizza, the same thing that I showed you here. So first of all, you can actually be alerted every time somebody joins the list. If that is something that you prefer, that's a preference of yours, we can put an alert in once it subscribes them to the list. The redemption works like this. It would say, hey, first name. And of course, their first name is in there and personalized because they entered their first name here. So it generates over here, populates over here. So, hey, first name, congratulations on joining the Sal's Pizza VIP Club. Of course, that would say Romance and Dance. So just work with me. Ride with me along this journey. This is actually just a sample for Sal's. So your first member benefit is 10% off your next order. But if you order within the next 72 hours, you use redemption code, and that the redemption code is unique to every number. So it'll be different for everybody, and the system sets up unique numbers so that actually it can be locked into that particular person's number, so that when they do enter it, that's how you can tell within the system how much somebody spends with you, if they're a really great customer. And I'll show you on the other end where, you can tell your top 10 customers and how much they spend with you. And, you may want to do something special for them eventually down the road because of that. But anyway, it says, you'll get 20% off instead if you use it within 72 hours. So what's happening here, it's counting down. So we put it to expire in 72 hours. So we'll put day of expire in 3 days. And so on the second day, it's reminding them, if they haven't used it, to come on and use it because it's going to expire in 2 days. And again, then when they have 24 hours left, it'll tell them, okay, you only have 24 hours to use it. Come on and use it. Now, if they do use it, it actually stops. This whole automation stops once they use it. But if they don't, they'll keep getting reminders until the last day. Also, let's go back. So you see how you remember they put in their birthday. So behind the scenes as well, the system is it's waiting for anybody's birthday to pop up. So basically, once the person puts in their birthday, the birthday, 3 days before their birthday, and we can actually set that up to be any days, 7 days before their birthday. Maybe you want to give them a week of using, a promotion that you offer. So it actually, the redemption for the birthday will say, hey, first name, a little birdie told us that your birthday is coming up. And so we wanted to be the first to send you a gift. That can be whatever you want it to be. And again, it'll count down if it took reminding them to use it prior to it expiring. And that actually is set up right here. Now, also something that's really cool is every time someone comes in and redeems one of these coupon codes, our team can put it in, and so it actually is up here. This redemption, you can either keep this open on your phone, you can keep it open, at your place of business, or let us know and we'll fill it in for you. But every time somebody redeems a coupon, um, when we actually redeem one of those codes on the dashboard, what's going to happen is it's going to say, okay, a code was redeemed. So here's what we're going to do. This is this is the one that we set up for redemption referral, right? So what happens is once you open it up, you see that it's going to wait for 2 hours after they came in, and once they leave, maybe they had a session with you. Once they go ahead and they're leaving after 2 hours, it is actually going to send them a notification that says, "Hey, first name, this is Romance and Dance. I just wanted to personally thank you for coming in today and having a session. I hope you really enjoyed it and it was amazing. If you loved it, I'd be honored if you tell a friend about us and give them 20% off coupon when they come in." And so we set up a code. This is not really trackable. This is actually just something that when they come in, you can start advertising to them, and maybe they'll join the VIP list as well. But this is actually just a referral to get them to come in. So we hope to see you again soon. And so that is actually something else that is really cool about that. So I know with some of these we've used discounts, but it's not always necessary to use a discount in order for people to come in. Even if you just want to let somebody know that you've added maybe a new teacher to the lineup, or you've had a cancellation, some spaces opened up, you can do that. But like an example here, from Sal's Pizza, it's almost lunchtime. We have 20 of our famous fried shrimp pizzas about to come out the oven, and they look amazing. Call this number to grab yours before we run out. We'll go ahead and set that up before lunchtime, before dinner. And it's just using scarcity as a method instead of a discount. So those work as well. So every single day in your business, they may be seeing a card like this show up somewhere. They may be on Facebook, and they see the post that you've pinned to the top of your Facebook. And they want to be a part of your VIP program. And so they actually go ahead and sign up. And then you've got this smart system that day in and day out, every single week, every single week it's working for you. It's putting out these cool little discounts. It's putting in those cool little things that are reminding people that you're still around. And the key is, remember, the key is to getting people to come back to a business and spend more money more often, and to spend more time, money every time they come in. So it's just to remind them that you're still there. People are busy, they have a lot on their mind, but what we've seen is with this simple, VIP system that we deliver via text message, people really love it. They get cool deals. And we're actually upping on average. Our clients are making an extra 5 to 10K. Mostly they're in between 5 to 10K. Even during the pandemic, they've been great. And so, it's just because of those extra return visits that are happening every month, because we're just reminding the customers to come back. And remember, you don't have to send out the stuff yourself. You can, though, if you wanted to go to broadcast. I think I explained this already. I'm not sure if it got cut out, but the broadcast tool right from your bed, you actually can send out something that is broadcast to whatever list you decide. And that's just one off. If there's something that came up last minute and it's not scheduled in the system, it's just like, look, let me let my list know. That actually is something that can be done from this particular tab in the system. But if not too many things happen like that for you too often, then that's not even something that you have to worry about. We actually, like I said, go in and we talk to you. We build promotions for the entire year, and those promotions are going to work for your business every single week without you having to lift a finger. And all it does is it starts with them putting their information on this page and becoming part of your VIP program. So if you would like to do something like this for your business, I would love to talk to you about it and really work with you to custom fit something for you. And like I said, we're really easy with how this works. We're not overly expensive because of the way this technology works, but it is something that we want to see a good $10,000 per month extra coming into your business. So hit me up if you have any questions. My information is in the email. There's a phone number also, and you can call me anytime you're available, or set up an appointment on my calendar. That's perfectly fine as well. And with any questions, if you're ready to get started, that's fine. Just hit me up. We'll talk and we'll get you started as soon as possible.